Use Toonly to create incredible animated explainer videos to entertain, engage, and affect your viewers in a positive way. Can be used for online and/or brick-and-mortar businesses. Zero technical or design skills needed. Did you know people have even shorter attention spans than goldfish? As crazy as that sounds, it's 100% true. And that sad reality can make things extremely difficult for those of us trying to build an online presence. With hundreds of thousands of online businesses competing to be noticed, it can be next to impossible to stand out in today's overcrowded marketplace. Because of that, we're forced to spend more money trying to reach more people, driving ad costs even higher, and causing us to experience even worse results than before. So, how exactly do you break through the clutter? How do you reach an audience that's bombarded with as many as 5,000 marketing messages every single day? Will you do it by creating easily digestible content that's super enjoyable to watch? In other words, you do it using animated explainer videos, which have been proven time and time again to produce dramatically better results than other online sales mediums. Why animated explainer videos are the answer to creating high converting, super shareable content. They work like crazy. Because animated explainer videos are so entertaining, consumers are drawn into the story, making your marketing message much more effective. They inform and educate. More and more, consumers want content to inform and educate. In fact, studies have shown that 68% of people say this is the type of content they find most valuable. Animated explainer videos are designed to do just that, giving a massive boost to your marketing. Animated explainer videos get the point across fast. You've probably heard that a picture is worth 1,000 words. That's nothing compared to video. According to Forrester Research, 1 minute of video is worth 1.8 million words. Just imagine how quickly you can get your message across to easily distracted prospects with a brief animated explainer video. Explainer videos simplify complex subjects. With an animated explainer video, you can communicate abstract or confusing subjects very easily. And as prospects' understanding increases, so can your conversion rates. These kinds of videos don't feel like marketing. All too often, consumers tune out when they hear yet another marketing message. Because animated explainer videos are actually enjoyable to watch, they're a great way to subtly promote your brand, without alienating and annoying prospects. Animated explainer videos are highly shareable. Another online study states that a whopping 97% of consumers say they'd be willing to share a great branded video. Because explainer-style videos are so fun to watch, they're also super shareable, meaning more followers and new customers for your brand. They're absolutely great for storytelling. People love a great story. And there's no better medium to do that than with animated cartoon explainer videos. Just think about how engaged your kids are during Saturday morning cartoons. Well, the same holds true for us adults. These videos just work. Animated explainer videos are super engaging. It's way more interesting to see characters fly, props appear out of nowhere, and backgrounds change, than it is to read a bunch of lifeless marketing text. Simply put, animated explainer videos are fun to watch. For marketers, that means there's a much greater chance that prospects will watch your videos until the very end, watching your full marketing message. They might even improve Google search rank. Everyone knows that getting on the first page of Google isn't easy. However, did you know that a site featuring video is many times more likely to make the first page? With an animated explainer video, you're giving yourself a greater chance to make that a reality. Explainer videos reduce support calls. There's not much that's more frustrating and time-sucking than a giant list of support tickets waiting for you every morning. Fortunately, animated explainer videos are a great way to answer common customer questions, minimizing your support needs. In fact, almost half of businesses say that by using videos, they've been able to reduce support calls. Animated explainer videos are memorable. Did you know that only 10% of people remember the text they read? By contrast, video viewers can retain up to 95% of a video's message. For that reason, an animated explainer video is a great way to stay memorable with prospects, which is super important since most people require multiple exposures to a brand before they'll make a purchase. That's why the biggest brand names in the world absolutely rely on them regardless of what they're selling and who they're trying to reach. Toonly has everything you need to create engaging, high-converting, animated explainer videos. Build a bigger and better business with Toonly. Regardless of your niche, industry, or profession. Toonly is so easy, kids can use it to create professional videos. Get Toonly today.